Hello and welcome to another GCSE revision video, and in this video we're going to continue looking at linear equations. In this video we're going to be looking at parallel and perpendicular lines and their equations. Parallel lines never meet. You can extend them from one end of infinity to the other end of infinity, they will never ever touch. And this is only possible because the distance between the two lines never ever changes. The only way the distance between the two lines never ever changes is if they have the same slope. So if we put our lines in slope-intercept form, let's take y equals 2x plus 1 and y equals 2x plus 3, they both have the same slope, therefore the distance between the two lines will always be the same, therefore they never ever meet, therefore they are parallel. If two lines meet at an angle of 90 degrees, they are said to be perpendicular lines. If you multiply the slope of two lines together and you get the answer -1, then those lines are perpendicular. So the lines y equals 2x plus 1 and y equals -1/2 x plus 3 are perpendicular. Okay, well, so much for the theory. Let's have a go at putting that into practice. We're given the question, the straight line y equals 2x plus 1 runs parallel to another straight line which passes through the point 5, 8. Find the equation of the second line. Well, we're used to finding an equation if we're given 2 points, but we're only given 1 point. However, we are also told that the line runs parallel to another line, and we know that parallel lines have the same slope. So we already know that the line we're looking for has the equation y equals 2x plus c. We know that because it must have the same slope as y equals 2x plus 1, so only the y-intercept will be different. Now we know that this line passes through the point 5, 8. So we can substitute this information in when x equals 5, y equals 8. So 8 is equal to 2 times 5 plus c. So 8 is equal to 10 plus c. So c is equal to 8 minus 10. I've just moved that 10 to the left and therefore it's changed sign. So c is equal to -2. So the equation for the line we're looking for is y equals 2x minus 2. Okay, then in this example we're told to find the equation of a line which passes through the line described by the equation 2y plus x minus 5 equals 0 and creates an angle of 90 degrees, but which also passes through the point 3, 3. Okay, so the first thing we need to do is deconstruct this sentence and try and figure out what we're being asked. We're looking for the equation of a line which passes through another line and creates an angle of 90 degrees. So we're looking for a line that's perpendicular to 2y plus x minus 5 equals 0. So if it's perpendicular, if we multiply the two slopes, they're going to come to -1. So the first thing we need to do is to take the line 2y plus x minus 5 equals 0 and put it into slope-intercept form. So we need y equals mx plus c, so let's just rearrange this a little bit. 2y is equal to -x plus 5. I've taken the plus x over this side of the equation and it's become negative, and I've taken the -5 over and it's become positive. And now if I divide everything by 2, I get y is equal to -1/2 x plus 2.5. Okay, don't let that fool you. It's not as complicated as it looks. The fact is, we just know that the slope is -1/2. So the line we're looking for is going to have a slope which, when multiplied by -1/2, is equal to -1. So the line we want is described by the general equation y equals mx plus c. And we know m times -1/2 is equal to -1. Okay, so that's -m/2, we just multiply the fractions, is equal to -1. So if we double everything, -m is equal to -2. Multiply everything through by -1, m is equal to 2. So the line we're looking for is described by the equation y equals 2x plus c. And we know that that line is now going to be perpendicular to this line because -1/2 times 2 is -1. So now we're told that this line here passes through the point 3, 3. So if we put x equals 3, y equals 3 into the equation, we've got 3 is equal to 2 times 3 plus c. So 3 is equal to 6 plus c. So 3 minus 6 is equal to c. So c is equal to -3. So the equation of the line we're looking for is y equals 2x minus 3. Okay, I hope that was helpful. Why don't you try some examples out for yourself? And I'd like to wish you all the best with your revision and all the best with your exams. And I'll see you in another video.